Hi guys, welcome back to Mollocott Farm. As you can see behind me, we've just had another delivery of birds. So those of you that are waiting for specific breeds, we've got everything back in stock. If you want to see what we have available, go to www.mollocottfarm.co.uk or just send us a message on the page and we can let you know what we've got. But right now, we've got a bit of everything. We've got our dark egg layers, got our blue egg layers, got our white egg layers, we've got our normal egg layers, all hybrids, all really good, really nice colour, and they're all point of lay, so they'll be ready to go straight away.